You won't find a single iPhone or Apple gadget in my everyday carry pouch. So instead, I've put together a lineup of the instead. I've set up a couple Aqara smart plugs and motion sensors around my apartment that let me automate all sorts of things. For example, when the motion sensor detects me walking into the living room in the morning, it can automatically turn on the lights, start playing music, and even brew my coffee for me. In the evening, another automation locks the doors, adjusts the thermostat, and turns off any lights I might have left on. It's all controlled through Aqara's app, which is super flexible and compatible with tons of other smart home gadgets. It gives me all the benefits of a smart home without having to rely on any big tech ecosystems. Takeaway: for an open and privacy-friendly way to automate your home, consider setting up some smart plugs and sensors instead of voice assistant speakers. So those are the key gadgets in my No Apple EDC. Of course, everyone's needs are a bit different, so you should think about what features matter most for you. But hopefully, this gives you some ideas of great tech options that exist beyond the walled gardens. If you want to see more deep dives into non-Apple tech and how I use it in my everyday life, subscribe here and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.